Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Tonight is Pollo el Salsa Coco from the country of Colombia. The morning mise en place, just after prep. The second mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up the oil in a brazier. Browning the chicken on first side. Flip the chicken and brown again. Remove the chicken and set aside. Add the onions and saute. Add the garlic and saute for about a minute. Add the bell pepper and saute some more. Add the crushed tomatoes and coconut milk. Add the spices. Re-add the chicken. Add the vanilla. Stir it all together and bring it to a simmer. And simmer for 20 minutes covered. The plantains are ready. The rice is ready. And the chicken is ready. The final presentation of Pollo el Salsa Coco. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.